Hi, I'm Fiona from Kids Club English, and today I want to show you how we make these little bear marionettes. They're quite simple for very young learners to do. Here's another one, black and white, with a little stick on top so you make them dance. So these are a really nice complement to "We're going on a bear hunt" is what I use them with, but any kind of theme where you can have a bear. Okay, so let's see how I make them. Okay, so how can we use these to practice English? Well, while we're making it, quite often I'll get them to collect the different body parts first. So with the bear hunt story language, I'll say, oh, what's that? It's a big furry arm, and then they'll go and find the arm and collect that. Or if they've already assimilated quite a lot of that language, I'll have the different bits cut up in front of me, and then they'll come along and ask for it, so like, can I have the legs please, and take it back to their table. Once they've got all the different bits, with learner, it depends on how much time you have, but with students who are about 5 and up, what I'll do is I'll just kind of pre-cut roughly around the shape, and then they'll do the finer cutting. Once they have all their bits, then we'll make the silly kind of images. So I'll be hiding my parts behind a piece of paper, behind a book, and I'll say things like, the bear has his legs on its head, or something like that, or put the bear's legs on its head, and I'll position it, and then we can look to check. We also, after we've made it, and we put the different parts together, you can get them to tell you like what's next, what the head, what goes with the head, the arms, the body, the head, okay. And then once we've got it, we might retell a story if we're using a story with it. So as I said, I use this with We're Going on a Bear Hunt. I'll have flashcards around the room, and we'll walk around the room and retell the story, but they've got their nice little prop to do it with. Or we'll play a game like Simon Says. I do a variation of that called the Please game, but yeah, or you can use the bear. So the bear says jump, the bear says kick your legs, whatever you like really. Or we'll just use it as a kind of a prop in other songs that we like to sing, and we just dance around and just play a little bit with it. I'm sure you've got ideas about what you could do with this. Please let me know in the comments below. Okay, enjoy.